Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design homepage with Elementor. For example, I'm on my WordPress website and you can see how my homepage looks right here. I'll be showing you how to quickly create any type of homepage using Elementor. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your WordPress admin page. Once on your admin dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to hover over plugins. Then you're going to tap on add new plugin, as you'll need to install the Elementor plugin. So you're going to tap on the search bar right here and you're going to type in Elementor. So let's do that real quick. After you have typed in Elementor, what I want you to do next is you're going to select Elementor website builder and you're going to install that app. After installing the Elementor website builder app, I want you to simply tap right where you see Elementor once more and you're going to type in Elementor QI. After doing that, you're going to see QI add-ons for Elementor and you're also going to be installing this app. And both apps you can use for free. So you're going to install and activate both apps. And by the way, what I would normally do after installing a new app, I would tap on install the app from the left hand menu option. And then from there, as you can see right here, I would normally toggle on auto updates. So that means that you don't have to keep on going back into your WordPress admin dashboard to update the apps. So you're going to simply toggle on auto updates right here for both apps. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to be tapping on add new page. After you have selected add new page, for the title, you're going to type in home. Then you're going to tap on edit with Elementor. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the Elementor landing page or page builder. And you're going to tap on the plus right here. Then select flex box. After you have done that, you can decide the structure that you want. So if it is this option, for example, that if you like a page to look like mine right here, you can select this option right here. So after selecting that option, from there you can tap on the 9 dots in the top left hand corner. Then from here you can add, for example, the heading. So I could drag and place the heading right there. After I've added the heading, let's say for example I would like to add some text below it. I would tap on the 9 dots once more in the top left hand corner. Then I'm going to be dragging and placing the text editor right below it. After you have done that, from the left hand menu option, you could type in whatever text you would like to add. And then you'll tap on the 9 dots once more. Once you have done that, you're going to simply drag and place image, or you could add a video to the next slide. So I'm just going to be placing an image. Then after doing that, I can select the image that I would like to add. So I could tap on choose image. And then from there, for example, I could tap on upload files, then tap on select files. And then from there, I could select an image that I would like to use. So let's say, for example's sake, I want to use this image. I could tap on open. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, you'll simply tap on select in the bottom right hand corner and you can see that the image has been added right there. If it is a case that you would like to further edit the image, for example, if you would like to make it clickable, you can tap on link from the left hand menu option and from there you could add in a link. And if you would like to continue editing your home page or to continue making changes, you can tap on the 9 dots once more. And then you can scroll down and then you could tap right here and you could add another section if you want. So from here you could tap on flexbox once more. Then we could add a section right there. After we have added the section, we'll simply, for example's sake, we can add a video. So I'll simply drag and place a video right there. After you have added the video, you could paste in the video URL right here. So you could do that real quick. After adding in the video, let's say for example, I would like to add a button, a call to action button. All I would need to do is go back over to the left hand menu option. Once on the left hand menu option, you can see button option right here. I could drag and place the button right there. After I've placed the button, from here you have a few options. You can tap on type and you can change the type, as you can see right here. So you have different options. I'm just going to be leaving it at default. You can also edit the text, and then from there you could paste in the link right here. After you have done that, if it is a case that you would like to edit the style or so on, meaning the color or the background, you could tap on style, and from there you could do that. You can also move the positioning. So if you would like the button to be in the center, right where you see position from the top left hand corner, you could position it right there. You can also select whether you would like to add some shadow or so on. And if you would like to add something more, let's say we want to add one more section, you could tap on add new container, then tap on flexbox, and we're going to be adding one more box. Then tap on the 9 dots in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can scroll down and you can see different options. From there you could add Google Maps, you could add another text box and add other texts. And the other options, as you can see right there, you'll need to be on the Pro plan. But let's say you would like to add an image box, so you could do that by dragging the image box right there. You could also add an image carousel, or you could add a basic gallery. So if we were to drag and drop the image carousel right there, after you have done that, you can select the images that you would like to use by simply tapping on it. But I won't be doing that now. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you're going to tap on the 3 dashes in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to go down to the bottom of the page and you're going to tap on publish. After you have tapped on publish, as you can see right here, we could tap on have a look, and you can see how our home page looks at the moment. If it is to your liking, you'll go back, then you're going to tap on exit. After creating your home page, what I want you to do next is you're going to simply close out of it, and then you're going to tap on the W in the top left hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select settings. After selecting settings, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on reading from the left hand menu option. After tapping on reading, from here where you see home page, you're going to tap on the drop down menu option and you're going to select the home page as the static page. So that means that that will be the first page that persons will see once they visit your website. After doing that, you'll tap on save changes, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.